Understanding the main water line, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important phrase in English, main water line. This phrase is often used in conversations about plumbing and city infrastructure. Understanding it will not only improve your English vocabulary but also help you in day-to-day conversations, especially when dealing with household or urban issues. Let's dive in. The main water line is a crucial component of a plumbing system. It is the primary pipe that carries water from a public water source or a well into a home or building. This pipe is typically larger than other pipes in the plumbing system and is responsible for ensuring a consistent and adequate water supply. It's important for homes and buildings as it is the source of all the water used inside. Understanding and maintaining the main water line is essential for several reasons. 1. Health and safety ensures clean and safe water is supplied to your residents. 2. Preventing damage. A damaged or leaking main water line can lead to significant property damage and costly repairs. 3. Regulatory compliance. In many areas, there are regulations about maintaining the main water line, making it important for legal reasons. Some common signs of issues with the main water line include decreased water pressure throughout the building, discolored or odd-tasting water, unexplained increase in water bills, wet spots or sinkholes in your yard. Knowing these signs can help in early detection of problems and prompt repair, preventing more serious issues. Here are some tips to maintain the health of your main water line. Regularly check for leaks or signs of damage. Schedule annual inspections by a professional plumber. Be aware of the location of your main water line for quick access during emergencies. Understanding the concept of the main water line is not only vital for those interested in plumbing but also for every household. It helps you stay informed, ensures the safety of your drinking water, and can save you from potential future hassles. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying this important term. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and thank you for watching.